Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit photos in Canva, so let's get right into it. I'll just insert a photo which I already have uploaded, and now that I've inserted it, it is, as you can see here, I'll just change the background of this page just to make the background of the photo pop out more, and this is the photo that I want. To edit this photo, you just want to click on it, and you can right click it and open up this entire sort of menu, and you can change the background. You can right click and choose that option, which is pretty much make the background of the page the same as the picture and things like that. But if you click on it, you can click on edit picture in the top left. I do apologize for this not being in English, but this says edit picture. You can also just flip it, and you can flip it horizontally or vertically. Let's just do it horizontally, and as you can see, that is what happens. You can add animations, modify the positioning, or you can edit the picture, and you have different effects, different options, and different sort of cropping options as well. You can set the temperature, the lighting, the brightness, the contrast, a lot of different things, the color as well, coloring, edit textures as well, or you can add a couple of effects. You have AI effects such as removing the background, which looks like this. You have magic deletion, which I don't know exactly what it does, but you can figure it out yourself. Let's just try and see what it does. I just selected that part there and it deleted it. But yeah, there is a lot of different options. You just have to click on the image, click on edit image, and then you can choose whichever options you want. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.